everyone, welcome into Unity Yoga with Jocelyn. Today I'm practicing in the garden. This is just a quick, gentle flow to get the blood moving. Maybe you practice early in the morning. I'm applying bug spray because there is a lot of bugs, a lot of mosquitoes. Lemon in my water. Remember, when you're using citrus oils, only use glass or metal because they break down petrochemicals. Then I'm applying my Motivate to my hand. And then to my hair and clothing because it is citrus oil again and it's sun sensitive. So we don't want to apply to our skin if it is super sunny. And it's always super sunny here in Costa Rica. So if you're utilizing your oils, as you come to your comfortable seat, you're cupping over your mouth and nose. Wherever you are, take your shoulders up to your ears and drop them back down. Full in breaths through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. Just really allowing yourself to arrive here at your practice, on your mat, wherever you are. Begin to lengthen the breath. Expanding with the inhales and releasing with the exhales. Attention on your breathing. If you'd like to, you can bring a hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Just bringing more awareness to the breath. Begin to deepen the breath even more if you can. Breathing deep into the belly and exhaling out the mouth. If you'd like to, you can set an intention for your practice here. And then bring the hands to rest on the knees. When you're ready, inhale, palms meet overhead. Exhale into heart. Inhale, sweep the arms wide all the way up. Exhale into heart. Inhale, sweep the arms wide. And exhale to heart. Once again, sweep the arms wide all the way up. This time interlace the fingers up overhead. Take a full inhale and an exhale, bring the palms towards me. Breathing here, drop the chin. Really breathing into the space in between the shoulder blades. And then inhale all the way back up. Exhale, release. Interlace the hands behind the back side of the body. Palms as close to touching as you can. Broaden through the chest. Full inhale here. Exhale, drop the shoulders down. Continue to breathe here. And then release when you're ready. Inhale, arms wide all the way up. Drop the left arm down when you're ready. Inhale, up and over. Breathing here. Full extension and reach. Coming all the way back up with an inhale. Coming into a twist, left hand, right knee, grow taller through the crown. Draw the belly in, twisting to look over that left shoulder. Full inhale, come back through center, reach the arms up wide. Exhale, other side. Drop the right arm down this time. Inhale, left arm up and over across the body.
That you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to.
Breathing and reaching here with that top arm. Exhale, look down. And then inhale, come all the way into that twist. Bring the right hand, left knee, grow taller through the crown. Breathing deep here, encouraging the body to detox, bringing out the discs, internal organs. Next exhale, come pass through center, hands on the knees, and we're gonna circle. So working with your breath, lengthening your breath, and listening to your body. Maybe you close your eyes here. Getting into any spaces that you might be holding tension, and then switch directions when you're ready. Continue to breathe. And then seated cat-cow. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Come onto hands and knees when you're ready. wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, cat-cow. So as you inhale, belly drops, gaze to the sky. Exhale, nose to navel. Move as fast or slow as you need to. Depending on the time of day, you might move a little slower. It's really increasing the flexibility in the spine. Take an inhale here, grow longer, and then energetically touching that left shoulder to the left hip. Come back through center with another inhale, and exhale, right shoulder, right hip. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, exhale, other side. Inhale, exhale. Again, slow it down if you need to. And then draw the belly in. Let's lift the right leg up. Flex the back foot like you're walking on the back wall. And when you're ready, if you're going there, you can lift the left arm, push the toes of the foot that's on the ground into the earth. Draw the belly back in, breathing here. Lift a little higher with an inhale, and then exhale, drop it down. Back to neutral, and then inhale, left leg rises. Push the toes of the right foot into the mat, and then inhale again, right arm rises. Draw the belly back in. Breathing deeply here. Inhale, lift higher. And then releasing with an exhale. As you're ready, curl the toes under. Let's find downward dog. Pedal the feet out. Really listen to what the body needs in this moment. Being as creative as you like. Or maybe you're just staying still. It's totally your practice. When you're ready, inhale and then exhale, step the feet to meet the hands. Look forward towards the horizon, flat back. Exhale, folding. Take a couple breaths here in a forward fold. Reach the crown of the head down to the earth. Bend the knees a little if you have any discomfort in the low back. And then as you're ready, roll one vertebra at a time all the way back up with an inhale. Roll the shoulders up and back as you arrive. Finding your mountain pose. Take a breath here. As you're ready, Surya Namaskar. Inhale, reach the arms wide all the way up. Exhale, let's take a side angle here, reaching the fingertips all the way over to one side, then the other. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, plant the hands, step back into your plank. Lower the knees if you need to. Inhale, rolling over the toes, upward dog. Exhale, back, downward dog. Pedaling the feet. Breathing here, spread the fingers even wider. And then full inhale, exhale here, look forward, feet meet the hands. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Exhale, folding. Inhale, sweep the arms wide. Exhale to heart. Inhale, sweep the arms wide all the way up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Plant the hands, step or jump back into your plank. Lower the knees if you like. Elbows scrape the sides of the body. Inhale, upward dog. Rolling over the toes, exhale, back, downward dog. Inhale, let's lift the right leg up. Bend the knee, send it towards the opposite glute. Square the shoulders, big inhale, and exhale, send it through the hands. High lunge. Come up on tented fingers. Grow taller than the crown, and then squeeze the legs together. You're gonna plant the left hand, open through the right. Come into a nice twist. Gaze can be at the top arm. Inhaling, circling the hand forward. Gaze can follow the hand, and then pausing here. Exhale, release back down. Squeeze the legs together, and inhale, we rise. All the way up into your high lunge. And then grab a hold of your left wrist here and stretching just past the midline. Reaching the hands across the midline. Full inhale, and then exhale here, lower the knee down. Untuck the back toes. Bring the hands onto the hips and sink forward here. You're opening through those hip flexors. If you'd like to, you can inhale, arms all the way up. You can take this into a mini back bend if you're going there. Continuing to breathe wherever you're at, honoring your body. This is your practice. Come into a twist, full inhale, and then exhale. Bring the left elbow to the right knee. Palms meet, stack the elbows best you can. Curl the back toes and lift the back knee. And then opening through the arms. Taking a full breath here. You're welcome to work on a bind. Wherever you are, the heart stays open and lifted. Continuing to breathe. Take a full inhale. Exhale, look down, plant the hands. Front foot meets the back. We'll take a vinyasa, lowering. Inhale, broaden through the chest, upward dog. Exhale, back, downward dog. Take a breath here. And then right onto the other side. Inhale, left leg rises. Again, bend that knee, send the heel towards the opposite glute to open through the front of the hip. And as you exhale, step it through. Come up on tented fingers first. Really set up your strong foundation here. Grow taller through the crown. And then again, plant that right hand this time. Twisting, opening through the left. Gaze can be to the top arm. Sink the hips down a little more if you can. Full inhale. And then begin to circle that arm towards the back, connecting with the breath. Full inhale, and then exhale, pausing, breathing here, and then drop the hand down when you're ready. Squeeze the legs together, inhale, we rise. This time we're gonna grab onto the right wrist with the left hand. Grow taller and then cross the midline here, just extending through the intercostal muscles. Full inhale, exhale, drop the back knee and tuck the toes. Bring the hands on the hips and sink forward here. Full inhale, bring the hands up overhead if you're going there. Maybe turn this into a back bend. And as you're ready, come into that twist. Right elbow, left knee. Stack the shoulders, the palms pushing into one another. Here you can curl the back toes under, lift through that knee. Come deeper into your pose. Option to open through the arms, gaze to the top arm. And again, wherever you are, heart stays open and lifted, breathing. Option to come into that bind. Straighten the back leg if you can. Full breaths here. And then full inhale. Exhale, look down, plant the hands. Front foot meets the back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back, downward dog. Take a full breath. And then releasing the knees down when you're ready. Let's release them wider than the mat if you can. Come into your balasana or child's pose. Make sure your head is touching the earth. Just take a full breath here. Allowing yourself to let go of your practice. And then coming up with an inhale when you're ready. You're welcome to take a short shavasana or stay in child's pose longer. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a lovely day wherever you are.